Today I'll show you how to replace spark plugs and coils on a V6 3.5 liter Toyota Venza. So that car had a problem, cylinder 6 misfire. The code for it was P0306. The spark plugs and the coils fixed the problem. And as always, I like to do stuff easier, so I'm willing to spend 10-15 minutes to remove all of this stuff so I can get a visual and of the bolts and the hose which is behind the engine, and also I'll not be trapped with my hands behind and cut myself or stuff like this. Now I want to give you a visual of the stuff you have to do in order to replace the spark plugs and coils. So the front, it's super easy to work with. The side plug, it's easy. At the back, it will be hard if you're not removing all the stuff I showed you in the video. Again, driver side electrical plug, easy. Don't forget about this bolt and of course the hoses. And now I'll show you how I did it. If you like what you see here, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for watching. I put a lot of effort to make this video. Many times you saw me working just with one hand to film. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As a reminder, start with this bolt, which is on the driver's side. It's the hardest to put it in. Use some tape to hold it in place if you don't have the magnetic tool. As you see, there is room to play if you don't put the other ones first.